Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about introduction to Python and we'll cover what is Python and history of Python and characteristics in this video. Now, what is Python? Python is an high-level language. Python is a high-level language and it is interpreted and interactive. And it is an object-oriented programming practice. Coming to the history of Python is created by Guido van Rossum, the late 1980s, and it is still being maintained by Guido with a certain core members from the Python community. Coming to the characteristics of Python, it supports both the functional and structural programming, and it has automatic garbage collection. And we don't need to specifically write about garbage collection in our program. And it easily integrates with other programming languages like C, C++, and Java, and the code is very easy to learn, read, and maintain. So compared to other programming languages, right? I mean, it is easy to maintain our scripts. Coming to the library support, right? It has wide variety of supported libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and the other libraries, and it is portable. It supports wide variety of hardware platforms, and it can be used for GUI programming as well. It is modular, and we can reuse our code in other programs as well. And there are many IDEs where we can write our code in Python. Some of the famous IDEs are Atom from GitHub, Sublime Text, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code from Microsoft, Spider. Spider is mostly used for scientific computations, and we can use the Jupyter Notebook as well. And for this tutorial, I will be using the Jupyter Notebook for large extent. Coming to the Python installation, we can download the executable for Python in www.python.org/downloads. And once we click on the installer, right, we'll have this particular window displayed. This window depends on the Python version what we are installing. Let me increase the size. And once we have this particular window, when we click on install now, the installation will start. And it is preferable to check both these checkboxes checked so that the path variable is set. And once we click on install now and the installation is complete, you will have this particular window displayed where the setup is successful. And we can check the successful installation of Python using these commands. Once we enter Python hyphen version, we'll have the Python version that is installed in our machine. We can go to command prompt, then type Python hyphen hyphen version and press enter key, and we'll have this Python version details. Similarly, we need to check whether correct pip version is installed or not. For that, I will follow the same steps. Go to the command prompt, and instead of Python version, we'll enter pip hyphen hyphen version. Press enter key. Once we press the enter key, we'll have the pip version that is installed will be displayed in the command prompt. Similarly, for installing Anaconda, we have the instructions clearly documented in Anaconda documentation. It is easy to understand. You can go to the documentation and see uh, uh, and see if you can install. If you face any issues, do let me know in the comments. In the next video, we will see the overview on keywords and identifiers, what is Python comments, what are dot strings, what is an indentation in Python, and what are variables. That's all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.